This single-berth stateroom reflects the efficient private design of early ocean liners, with essential furnishings neatly arranged. Even modest cabins like this offered more privacy than many ships of the era, making solo travel more comfortable. The Turkish bath cooling room, inspired by the exotic ambiance of the East, stands out as one of the ship's most distinctive and captivating spaces. This cozy single-berth cabin has a simple, elegant setup with a writing desk, mirror, and wardrobe, perfect for a quiet, comfortable stay. Even the smallest rooms on luxury liners were designed with care, offering travelers both style and privacy. This was the ship's swimming bath, a rare luxury at sea. Very few ships back then had a pool on board, making this one of the most talked about features among passengers. This A-deck stateroom offers a warm, welcoming space with a plush armchair, writing desk, and cozy bed, perfect for relaxing in privacy. Located on one of the Titanic's upper decks, rooms like this were considered top-tier accommodations, offering both comfort and status. This was the Veranda Cafe, a sunny little corner of the ship where you could sit back, enjoy the view, and sip your tea in peace. The windows were framed with trellises covered in real climbing plants, giving it the feel of a seaside garden floating on the ocean. This is the Georgian smoke room. Rich mahogany walls, soft chairs, and a quiet buzz of conversation drifting through the air. The paneling was inlaid with mother of pearl, giving the whole room a soft shimmer when the lights hit just right. Here's the ship's main restaurant, elegant chairs, crisp white tablecloths, and it was styled in Louis XVI fashion, giving diners a taste of French luxury as they sailed across the Atlantic.